why would you turn off a setting that works for your videos and your channel? Someone drew my attention to a particular video setting and asked if they should turn it off or turn it on each time they want to publish a video. So this came up because they heard someone saying that they should always turn it off each time they publish their video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you whether you should turn this option or this setting on or turn it off when you want to publish your video. So right now, I will try to publish a video so that we can see where this option, where it is before we publish our new videos. So I will click on create, upload video, and I will try to upload this video. So right here, I'm under the video details. So where this option lies is on the right down towards the end of the video details. So here it is, publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. So this particular setting is very important. It could also help your channel or help the video you are uploading, to perform very well. Now, some do say that you should turn it off before you upload your video, but you need to check some certain things. You need to check a particular metric on your channel to be sure if you should turn it off or turn it on. How does this particular setting works? For example, when this particular setting is turned on, that is published to subscription feed and notify subscriber, when it is turned on, it does two things on the video that you are publishing. Right now, I'm on my YouTube app. So if I'm subscribed to your channel, when you publish a video and you turn on this particular setting, when you publish it, your video will appear under the subscription feed. So this is the subscription feed. This subscription feed will always show you videos from every channels that you are subscribed to. Whether you've watched it before or you've not watched it lately, it will always appear here. So when you turn it on, your videos will appear on the subscription feed of your subscribers. That is the first thing that this setting will do. Then the second one is notify subscribers. So the second one, what this setting will do is that when you publish a video from your channel, your subscribers, that those ones that turn on their notification, they will be notified that a new video has been published from your channel. So your subscribers, they could either click the notification to watch your video or ignore it to watch later. So that is what this publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber work. So now, for example, if you turn it off, you might be making it difficult for your channel because the click-through rate from this setting also work to the advantage of your channel. For you to turn off this setting, you must be sure that the click-through rate from this particular setting is very low. That is probably below 2% or so. But if the click-through rate from this setting is very high, that means it is working for your channel. So you don't need to turn it off. So now, how do you know the click-through rate from this particular setting? So for you to get this, go to your channel's analytics, then you click see more. Then under see more, you click on traffic source. So right here on the traffic source, you will see the browse feature. So this browse feature is part of YouTube recommendations, and this subscription feed notification or subscription feed click-through rate, you can find it under these browse features. So when you click on the browse features, it will not give you all the traffic sources under the browse features, and you can see right here, you can see the subscription. So this means the subscription feeds. Note that subscribers can view your content through any traffic source, not just this feed. So now, before you turn off this setting, you must check the click-through rate on this subscription feed is like less than 2%. So if it is over 4%, then you don't need to turn it off because it is working. Like if you check now, the overall click-through rate of this traffic source is 11.4%, which is very, very high. It's reasonable. You get the point. It's very, very reasonable. So imagine that you now turn your subscription feed off. It could probably make it much lesser in the overall scheme of things. So if you are uploading videos and you are saying that the subscriptions feed click-through rate is very high, that is like from 4% and above, then there's no need for you to turn it off. So this shows that this subscription feed could be to the advantage of some channels and might probably be to the disadvantage of some channels. So check your analytics. If the subscription feed click-through rate is not doing well, then you don't have any other option than to uncheck it, because it is doing more harm than good. And again, when you check from this subscription feed, you can see that the average view duration is the highest. You can see it has about over 6 minutes in the average view duration, which means that even the average view duration is performing very well in that category. So it means that this particular subscription feed is working very well for this channel. So there's no need for this channel to turn it off when they want to publish their video. So please take note of this. This is very, very important. You know, this creator reached out to me and asked me, so I have to now explain how it works. So turning it off depends on if it is not working well for your channel, then you can turn it off. Maybe probably the click-through rate is very low, the average view duration is very low, so you can decide to turn it off. But when you are getting reasonable average view duration from it and also getting a good click-through rate from it, there's no need for you to turn it off. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you been unchecking this particular setting each time you upload your videos? Let me know in the comment section. If there's any improvement since you have been unchecking it, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and we will talk soon.